Hello students, I am Tejaswini Jainache. I am teaching you Human Resource Management subject for you. In today's session, we will discuss about the syllabus. So here I explain you syllabus in short way. After that, the next session we will discuss one by one unit. Okay. So here as you see on this screen, first BBA syllabus 2020 to 2021. Here subject name is Human Resource Management. Here 5 units are there. First unit, Introduction to Human Resource Management and Environment, and second unit, Acquiring Human Resources. Unit 3rd, Developing Human Resources. Unit 4th, Labor Management, and Unit 5, Rewarding Human Resources. In the first unit, Introduction to Human Resource Management and Environment. So here, introductions of Human Resource Management and Environment and functions of Human Resource Management. There are two functions of Human Resource Management. First one is a manager function and second one is a operative function. The manager functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. And operative functions are development, comprehension, maintenance, motivation and integrations. Next, managerial and operative rules, Human Resource Management. There are some managerial and operative rules of Human Resource Management. I see in the later. Next, personal management versus Human Resource Management. There are difference between personal management and Human Resource Management. Next, strategic management approach. There are some different approaches to the strategic management. Next, the rules of globalization in HR policy and practices. There are some rules of globalizations in HR policy and practices. Okay. Unit 2nd, Acquiring Human Resource. So here, Human Resource Planning and Alignment. Here the meaning of Human Resource Planning, as you say in short way, HRP means Human Resource Planning. Next, job analysis and designing. Job analysis investigates and identifies the duties, skills, responsibilities, tasks and knowledge, essential qualifications for a certain job profile. And job designing, the focus on integration the requirements and needs of an employee within the organizations. And job description and job specification. Job descriptions are job title, job location, job summary, working conditions and job duties. And job specifications means qualifications, experience, training, skills and responsibilities. And job evaluation and job restructuring, they are seen in the later. And job rotation. Job rotation is a management approach where employees are shifted from one job to another. And job enlargement and job enrichments, they are seen in the later. And recruitments and selection placement. There are some recruitments of the selection placement. And induction and orientation. Induction and orientation, there are the meaning of induction and orientation, and there are some importance of induction and orientation. And next, line and staff. And unit third, developing human resources. First one is in that topic, the first one is training and development. Training and development is always identified as one of the human resource function, and there are some needs of training and development. Next, employee training and retraining. Employee training or retraining is a process of learning the new skills. Next, assessing training needs and designing training programs. There are some needs of training programs. Next, an overview on employee orientation. Means the meaning of employee orientation, and there are some types of employee orientation. And the next, career planning and development. And the career planning and development means it is a process of to select the career goals, and there are some rules of significance of career planning, and also have the impact of career planning and productivity. Next, unit 4. Unit 4 is a labor management. In this unit, labor management, in this unit, industrial relations and industrial disputes. Here, the meaning of industrial relations and industrial disputes, and some guidelines of industrial disputes and industrial relations, and standing orders. And there are some rules, and you can say the contents of standing orders, and labor relations and collective bargaining, I see in the letter. And the next, employee health and safety. Human resources professionals are assuming health, safety and security responsibilities within the organizations. And unit number, in the unit 5, rewarding human resources. Here, performance appraiser. So here the meaning of performance appraiser, and the some methods and needs for the performance appraisers, and organization climate and its impact on HRM. There are some impacts of the human resource management, I see in the letter. And components of organization culture. So here some components of the organization culture, and quality of work life. So here the quality of work life, you means QWL, the quality of relationship between employees and total working environment. And next, determinants of quality of work life. So here there are some determinants of quality of work life and impact of QWL. Here some impacts of QWL means quality of work life on organization, climate and culture. Okay, so here I stop here. Thank you.